Welcome back to Goku Alpha Calls. My name is Goku and right now Bitcoin is stuck in a sideways range, rejecting from a key resistance zones of $120,000 to $123,000. We're still in a bull market on weekly time frames with the super trend indicator still in green. On the 3-day chart, Bitcoin still has a bullish cup and handle pattern active, however it is showing some short-term weakness and loss of momentum, unless BTC closes below $110,000. On the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin is rejecting from $120,000 to $123,000 and bouncing off support at $116,000 to $117,000. Liquidity is being taken out on both sides, with key heat map levels around $115,800 and $121,000. We're likely to see more sideways price action until a breakout occurs. Overall, Bitcoin is cooling off but holding its bullish macro structure. Expect more sideways chop in the short term before a bigger move plays out. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin dominance chart shows an active bearish divergence, even with a small bounce from oversold RSI. Despite the bounce, the structure remains bearish, lower lows and weakening dominance. This favors altcoins in the medium to long term. Expect continued dominance drop over the coming weeks, which means Ethereum, Solana, XRP may outperform BTC. I'm not holding any short positions at the moment. My Bitcoin and many other long positions are still active. And yes, ideally I still want higher. And if you actually want to get set up, ready to go to take trading opportunities for the price of Bitcoin or any other crypto, obviously you have to be set up ready to go on a crypto exchange. And personally, I'm taking a lot of my crypto trades over on BitUnix. So, I'll make sure to leave a link to be next below this video in the description and in the pinned comments. And if you use that link, it will take you to this page right here where you can claim some massive trading and deposit bonuses. For example, if you deposit just $2,000, you get a $400 bonus into your BitUnix account, but only if you use that link. And you can also get some massive trading bonuses going all the way up to $2,000 in trading bonuses just by trading crypto using that link. So, if you're going to be trading crypto anyway or preparing to take the next trading opportunity, you might as well get set up ready to go using that first link below this video to BitUnix to take advantage of these major bonuses here. And in case you're wondering, BitUnix is a no KYC exchange, which means you can access it from basically any country in the world without needing any KYC. But, as always, check your local regulations when it comes to trading crypto. Looking now at Ethereum, it recently rejected from the major resistance zone between $3,900 to $4,100, exactly where previous warnings were suggested. Profit taking is happening after a strong bullish move. This is typical behavior for Ethereum after large rallies. If Ethereum pulls back further, key support levels to watch are $3,500 where potential retest zone lies. And if we go further down, $3,200 to $3,300. And the last line of support lies at $2,700 to $2,800. A bearish divergence is still playing out, which could mean more short-term chop or pullback. However, the larger bullish trend remains intact. Expect Ethereum to struggle in the short term before potentially breaking out later. Now, on Solana, we saw Sol reject below $191 breakout zone, which was the technical indicator for this cup and handle pattern, which was validated few days back. But now the major support lies around $180 to $185, which we are currently testing, and then $167. If we see Solana break down further. Overall, Solana remains in a strong bullish structure, forming higher highs and higher lows. But a short-term bearish divergence is still active on the 2-hour chart, signaling the possibility of a minor pullback or sideways action. Expect the next 1 to 2 days to be neutral to slightly bearish for Solana. Long-term outlook remains bullish. Now, XRP is showing signs of a bearish divergence on the weekly chart. If confirmed, it could lead to a major correction in the coming weeks or months. Key levels to watch for $3, which is major support level as it broke from its first line of support at $3.30 to $3.40 and major resistance above at $4.60 to $4.70. Altcoins are still in a bullish macro trend, but expect short-term cooling across the board as BTC dominance chart looks oversold and altcoin look overbought in short term. So this is normal and not to get shaken off during a major altcoin rally. And once again, if you want to trade any of these crypto moves, make sure to check out the link below this video. This link will give you access to massive sign-up bonuses, but they only work if you use those exact links. That's everything I've got for you today. If you found this update helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a critical update during this bull market. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next video.